So that is the first point, okay, where your test will be start. Can you leave the accelerator, push the brake? Yes. So this is the first point. Let me bring you in the video. Can you just leave it for me just 1 second? So could you see it? There is a stop board.
Yes.
Okay. So let's we go. Okay. Right indicator and the okay, and you need to stop it. Sometime when you stop like this, you cannot cross the line, right?
Yes.
You need to stop before the line.
Okay.
Like in the beginning of the test, okay? But on the left side, sometime you have a car. You cannot see. You stop it first, then after that, keep coming on the right side and keep watching the car. If there is anyone, just you need to stop it again. Come again. Okay? Okay, go. So that is the first beginning of your test, okay? Now they will tell you two things. Just slow down. They will tell you two things. Only go right. You see the car is going right? And the second thing, from traffic light right, okay? So if, for example, for only simple go right, you can go easily. If they tell you go traffic lights are right, okay? So left indicator, you need to stop it here, okay? Before that line. You see the solid line?
Yeah.
There is a solid line. There is a stop sign also, okay? So keep watching on the left side mirror, plus if your track is free, you can go. It's free, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so just enter in the line. Okay, now right indicator, you need to come in the filter from beginning, not in the end of the signal, you know.
Yeah.
This is filter they are giving you in from beginning. Come right, stay on the right side, keep right side. Now left indicator, check shoulder quickly. While you're going, there is nothing, you can go. Okay. So this is the beginning step of your, you know, like start your test.
Okay. That Belhasa instructor coming to do the test?
Of course, it's the examiner, you know, not the instructor. This is not Belhasa examiner. It will be from the GRA, Government of Khaimah.
Police?
No, it's not police. It's kind of like civilian, like Pakistani, Indian, and Bengali. No, there is no Bengali. Pakistani, Indian, and Egyptian.
Turn right?
Yeah, go right. Sometimes they took you to left from here, okay? So for that, you need to change the line must. Most of people, what they do, because of confusion, they go left from this line.
Yeah.
You got my point? Okay, go right. Very good. Okay, go right again. Always watch mirror before you slow down. Bas, make straight, go a little bit more. Okay, exactly, good. Yeah, okay, we'll go right. Start from here. 1, 2, reverse 2, and handbrake 3. Okay, we need to go to the right. So how we gonna go? No, yesterday I show you. You need to come half in the road when your shoulder is equal to the road corner, okay? Keep coming, look in the both sides, okay? Look me to the mirror also. Keep coming, you have a chance, okay? Full left now. You're half in the road? Full left, yes. Keep coming. When your car becomes straight, keep coming, stop. the line, not before too much, okay? Okay, that's it. You stop it and go. Don't touch yellow line.
After Belhasa instructor, going to the police.
Yes. After Belhasa, you have a highway. They will take you one day for only highway, okay? And after the highway, they will give you another. They will issue one card, okay?
Okay.
So taking this card, you need to bring in the police. I will reschedule it for you. Before pushing brake, look the middle mirror always. Sometime we push the brake, but behind us the car is very close to us. So this is small tips will be help you to pass. Keep going. Don't push brake now. Okay. Close to this yellow line and this block. On the right side there is a parking. Okay. Now left indicator. When you are turning left indicator, and stay on the right side. Yes. Okay. For that case, you see it. He was little bit in the speed. We turned the car in the speed. So now we just go straight. We need to bring the car in a slow speed. And especially when you come in, like when your car becomes straight, doesn't mean that you go to the right. You have a straight road, you can just keep going straight. Even you cannot ask him a question that should I go straight or right or what. He will
Can't ask.
Yes, no. He will tell you everything. Parking. No boss, totally wrong boss. Totally wrong. You need to come in the, like in the lines. There's a lines. Could you see it? Could you see the lines? See? The line is here now. This one. I know the line is not seeing, but if from the front of, like the head of the, like parking, you can see the lines. You cannot do anything. Keep coming. Double indicator, like hazard lights. Keep coming and keep looking in the back. Okay, full right now. Full right. Yes. Let me show you how to do it. Okay. Oh, stop. Now close the indicator. Double indicator. Right indicator. See, when any parking is equal here. See the line.
Okay.
The line parking is here. Okay. When it's equal to the handle, first door handle, full turn right. Right indicator. Okay. Keep coming. Next right. Yes. Okay, but that's it. You see the yellow line?
Yeah.
And this only flag parking, there is no footpath, there is no blocks. So the yellow line you can consider as a footpath or block. Okay. When it's showing you down of the mirror, you need to stop it. Handbrake parking must. Okay, we're gonna go left. Look in this. Look your back. Where is the road? Where is the track?
We are going to the left.
Yes. Where's the left? Yes. So you need to go on this track, the first track. I will show you something. Okay, stop it. I know it will be get wrong, but why I let you to do it? At least if you do it, you will understand. Okay.
Yeah.
Come again. You see, you are half in the road and half in the parking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you did wrong? Because
I didn't check the shoulder.
No. As we said to everyone that when you go to the left, so turn full right from the same place. Okay. You follow it, it's good for you. But in this parking, if you can see it, there is the filter between parking and the road. It's very small. So you need to avoid from this filter. You need to little bit come back, then full right.
Okay.
So it will take you direct to the main road. You know. You got me or no?
I have to go a little bit
Can
back.
you see it? Can you just move your head? Can you see it? The filter is very small between the road and parking.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
It's very small.
Yeah.
So even you want to bring the car in the filter, it will not come. It will be same like half of in the road and half of in the filter. Okay.
Yeah.
Usually we said to everyone that if you go to the left, so full turn in 90-degree parking, full turn from same place. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. In this case, same, but the filter is small, so we need to avoid from the filter. Okay, between the road and parking there is small space. We need to avoid from this. How we will avoid? You need to come little bit back, then full right. So your car will be exactly goes to the right. You know. Yeah. So how much you will come back? Little bit. How you will know little bit? Let me show you. Easy tips. You see the yellow line?
Yeah.
In the front of you, you know, oh, this is like big yellow line. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep coming back. When it's disappear down of your side mirror, come.
Yes.
No problem. He's so far. Come. Keep coming. Can you see it? No need to turn. And the straight steering. Okay. When it's disappear down of your side mirror, completely. Okay. Disappear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now keep coming and keep turning full right. Wait for that. Yeah. Keep coming and keep turning full right. Can you see it now? I hope you understand it.
Yes. Understood.
If you don't understand, I will send you the link. Watch your YouTube
Yeah.
video. Okay?
I'll try it again.
Yeah, please come. Not exactly. Because you turn in full right, your parking is here. You will be on the line. Like half of in this parking, half of in this
So
parking.
I try to
right?
park other one.
Yes. So little bit make it straight and keep coming. Yes. Now full right. Slowly. Adjust your car. Doesn't mean that you take it full right and you need to come in. You know, you can adjust your car like this while you are going also. Okay, stop it.
Okay. Now.
Bas, you are on the road.
Yeah.
Okay, go. So I think it's easy tip.
Yeah. It's very easy.
Keep going straight. I'll bring you again, no problem. Go right. Right. Control your car, look middle mirror and come right. Parking. With right indicator. If you didn't put right indicator, how you gonna know that, you know, like behind car that you are going to the right? Okay, make straight. Okay. You always forget to put the handbrake and parking. You need to do it by yourself as soon as possible when you do the parking. Okay. Okay, we'll go left. We'll go left.
We are going to that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we have to reverse to the middle of the road.
You have a filter. You have a space, big space, huge space,
Yeah.
between the parking and the road. You have a huge space. You no need to come back. You already come back. As I just told you right now, before in the parking there, when you go to the left, if you have a filter, if you don't have a filter, whatsoever, if you want to go to the left from 90 degree, you need to turn full right from the same place. Only expect one parking, this flag parking.
Okay.
You need to come a little bit back, then full right. Otherwise, all is 90 degree. It's same. Even you have a filter, either
If
you
there's
have.
one car, what happens then?
No, it will not hit.
What hit?
Yeah, just look on the left car, not on the right. Okay. In case if there is a car, for example, you no need to turn full right. Only with one round, so it will become easily. And keep coming, keep coming. When you see that you are going out of the parking, then full right again. Keep watching 360, left, right, middle, background, like all the see back. Look in the back side here, middle mirror. See, it's come to your filter, okay?
Yeah.
Now straight to your car and double indicator on. Okay, put on drive mode, left indicator, little bit turn to the left side, the steering turn to the left side. Okay, that's it. Okay, go. Check shoulder and go. Check shoulder, okay? Yeah, go. Check shoulder. If it's good for you like this, little bit, yes, like this. Okay, go. Parking. Yes, very good. If I don't watch here, we not do it this one.
Not doing it, but I take time. That's what happens.
I don't mind it. It's okay. It will take time, just few days. Okay. Okay, we'll go right. Keep coming. I will show you. Keep coming. Keep straight. Look 360 background. Left mirror, side mirror, shoulder, middle mirror. Okay. Keep coming. When your shoulder is equal to the main road line. Okay. See. Keep coming. Am I right? Is shoulder equal?
No.
Look here. Shoulder is equal.
Little bit.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh, full left now. You got to the point or no? Whenever you want to go to the right, you need to come back all the way straight.
Yeah.
When your car is half of middle of the road, track,
Okay. Yeah.
then full left. But no, when your car is straight, stop it first and then steering straight.
Okay.
Yeah. I know, boss, you are a good driver, you know how to drive, but some of the things you need to follow it, right? You can do it.
Yeah, that's what I need to learn that.
Yes. But also don't take it too much hardly, It's not that much hard.
That I've got confused. Turn right. Actually, I thought we have to turn right the vehicle and go to left.
I will tell you easy tips. You need to stop it. Stop. Okay, and turn in advance. So you will not turn much more when you are going out. Now come. See, exactly. See, if you turn in advance before entering in the track, okay.
Yeah.
So you will not turn too much. Like you will not get confused. Straight, इंशाल्लाह का खुदा ख्वाशाई संगीन हालात वाले मशहूर से टेमर कड़ा था मजदीगार रसे बेचारा मजदीगार वो खबर को सरा doesn't mean that I told you. You see the behind you there's a car. Did you see it? Right indicator. Boss, tell me one thing. Go more. Boss, tell me one thing. When I told you the parking, you suddenly like push brake, and behind you there is a car. If I don't bring up your brake, like I don't give him a chance, what do you think? He was gonna hit us or no? He was so close to us. That is the reason whenever I said parking, first of all your eyes should be here. Look the distance. Based on distance, another car, push brake and right indicator first of all. Why? Because he will get indication that you are going to the right. You got me right? First of all, when I said parking, put right indicator, second mirror, third brake. Slow down, fourth. Based on the...
So that thing is, I got confused that you asked me to park. I thought the park over there.
No. Doesn't mean
park
that,
anywhere.
Yeah, but not like, if I here tell you park and all the parking is empty, there is no car behind you, and you go over the 10 parking, you stop in the 11th one, this is not good. Slow down, professionally slow down as you do at normal life, okay, now? Then full right. Okay, go left. Yes. Bus. Very good. Turn left little bit, because if you go straight you will go over the yellow line, right?
Yeah.
So for going straight, never ever go straight. From filter you want to go to the track little bit to keep left side the steering like this. Now left mirror and shoulder and go out. Go. Make straight.
Turn right.
No, just go straight. U-turn. U-turn.
U-turn.
U-turn, yeah. There is a U-turn. Left indicator. And follow this other line. This is the second time you're trying to from the right side. Come from upside. Openly, okay? Make straight, yes. Red line change. Go right. Go right. Filter, yes. Now left indicator, quickly check shoulder mirror. If you have a chance, you can go like this. You see it? If you have, in case if there is a car now, you need to slow down and stop it.
Yeah.
Wait for
Passing them.
Yes. and stop with the next one. Yes, good job. Bus. That's it. Focus on the right mirror. Your car is straight. Stop it. Now you have a habit slowly. Changes. That's called improvement. Okay, go.
I put reverse?
Yes. Next straight.
Excitement. Excitement.
Yeah.
Only my target is getting driving license. Get a good instructor for me.
Yeah. Huh?
Right? If you give us something to him,
Yeah.
then
Good, right. No need to push the brake that much. Okay. Keep coming. You have a filter, right? So if he told you roundabout right, so you just try the indicator, choose this one. Okay. Now there is a give way signboard. Most of people they stop here. Okay.
yeah.
Some of time you face this kind of happen. You know, like you see there is a car.
Yeah.
So now left indicator, check shoulder. Okay. Because you cannot go in his track, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you go over there on the last track, but be careful with the car. See?
Yeah.
Focus there. You'll go 1, 2, 3, go.
No, won't.
He was so far. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. No, come properly, then right line change, because you are not allowed to continue in this track. Okay.
He's allowed to park like that?
No, he's not allowed, but it's Khaimah, you know already. Parking. I told you never ever suddenly push the brake like
Yeah,
this. It's very hard braking. You push it. Okay, go. No need to turn too much that way. See, I will show you something. You are in the parking or you are in the filter, whatsoever. Okay, you need to enter in the track.
Yeah.
What you did, am I right? You did completely left, and when you enter, you come again. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, the easiest way, only half. Okay, and left indicator. Check shoulder mirror. As you wait after this car. Okay, I will show you something. Then tell me which one is easy. Your one was easy or mine one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Check shoulder. Okay, now straight. See, the way both is same. This one is more easy. Make a U-turn, roundabout U-turn. Check shoulder. Yes, good job. Okay, go. Don't touch line. Okay, right indicator now. Look here like this. Look the right side. Okay, always. There is a car. Maybe he will come. Okay, make straight. You are not allowed to continue. You need to change the line as soon as possible. Check shoulder mirror. Shoulder always. No, this side shoulder. You are coming to the right side, right?
Yeah.
So you need to check like this. Okay. Roundabout, go straight. No, roundabout straight. I told you. Straight. This line can go from straight. To straight. No indicator. Okay. Look on the left side. There is no car. Go. Yes, you was in the second line, you enter in the second line, keep coming straight, right indicator for this car. Okay, look here, even there is no car, you need to look at. Okay, come like this. Alright, make straight. straight. Left parking.
Close parking or?
Yeah, no. You can go. In all of these sessions, there is no reverse parking. Okay. Make straight. Okay. Handbrake parking. Okay. We'll go to the right side.
We turn go to the right side?
We turn left, not from here. No. Keep coming. No. Keep coming. Now your shoulder is equal. Look here.
This side.
Yes. It's not about the shoulder.
Yeah.
Like when you have a 2-track behind you, listen brother, listen. When you have 2-track,
Yeah.
we need to go to the other track, right? Because we are going to the right. So when you have 2 tracks, sometime you have a filter. Ignore the filter. You need to come in the track, not in the filter. You got my point? So this coming is from the right side. Am I right? But
Yeah.
we need to go to the right. But this track is coming from the right side. So you need to enter in the right side track first. Now we are completely enter.
Right side.
We entered already. Now full left. Yes, full left. Okay, now keep coming. Look in the middle mirror also. Okay, keep coming. Unless your car is not straight, don't stop it. Keep coming. Okay. You are exactly in the track. It's so easy. For me only. Okay, close the indicator. Yes, keep going. Go right. Stop. There is stop line. Okay. Again come to the right side. Right. Yes. Okay. Stop it again. No, not straight. You need to go to again right. Okay. Together go. Right indicator go. Right indicator. Right. Go right. Go. Right go. Left. No. Just go straight. Roundabout straight. She was on the right track. You was closing to her, No, you didn't put right indicator also. Go straight. Traffic light right. Okay. Enter from here from the starting. Close to the right side. left indicator, check shoulder mirror, nothing is there, you can go. Parking. Okay, go. No, car is coming. You cannot go like this. See, it was coming, sir. For you, maybe it's far, but he was so near. If you do this test, fail. You need to be patient, okay? Left line change. Make a U-turn. Stop it. You need to stop, sir. Am I right?
Okay.
Okay, go. Next right. Parking. Okay, great. Stop. Go. We'll put the indicator. Double hazard lights. So whenever you put reverse, you need to put the hazard lights. Okay? Keep coming back. Look in the back. Look in the back. Here. This side. Yes. Keep looking there. When your car is half up in the rack, you see, you're half up in the road, right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're
From like this, you have to look at it.
Yes. You cannot look in this mirror, left mirror, full right.
So if I can't see from the back on the middle of the road, what happened?
Like what you will can't see.
I mean, now too high, so I can't see the middle of the road.
You can see it. Yes, it's normal. It's normal, you can see it. Just go straight, okay? Traffic light left. No braking please while you are changing line. For what purpose you are braking?
I brake it, so slow down. I brake it, slow down, and only to slow down.
What do you mean?
So I brake over there,
Yeah.
take little bit slow down the speed. And I have only the problem is signaling, reversing. Park in, okay, park out. Not that way you expected.
Yeah. Right line change. go running chala.
Right lane.
Yeah, should shoulder and come right line. Yes. Yeah, right line, boss, right line. Twice I told you right line change. Say so to the way again. Parking. Gujar tam se bine na stop pote do. Stop the next one. Turan Bukhari. Bus. And the parking. Okay, go. You can relax it a little bit. No problem. चल सही मड़े फिर मतलब मिस रुका जरा नष्ट पता तो दो तो नंबर वेर कड़े हुए चलो पता है बोलेगी क्या ना सही दो की ना ओके बोलो गो next straight. See how come it's easy. Go round about left. Left line change. Round about left and you turn only can be go from this left line. Okay, round about left we will go. Roundabout. Where will go?
Left.
Yeah, go roundabout left. This is right, this is straight. Okay, this is left. Right indicator. Check here. Come here. This is very hidden, like hidden exit.
Yeah.
You cannot see it. Many people they don't see it and confuse. Go right. Parking right side. Next right. Okay, boss. So, boss, how was the training?
Good. Learned a lot of things.
Okay.
And I realized my lot of mistakes here. So all these mistakes I have, not the driving, just parking and turning.
The rules and regulation,
Yeah.
which is more important. You need to focus on the rules, okay?
So that you had me here. So if you can do something to me to get the license, I'll look after.
Thank you.
Anyhow, get me the license. So I'll look after.
I'll try. Okay, go back. So I will watch. I will put your video on YouTube. Okay, you will watch your video. Learn from some things from your video. Okay.